Whether you're a pilot in the cockpit or working on the flight line, Honeywell technology is there. Before you take off, Honeywell's Global Data Center helps you with flight planning and keeps your aircraft connected worldwide throughout your trip. Our smart runway technology begins by advising pilots of their position during taxi and takeoff to improve situational awareness.
On runway 07,
We
right.
help you in the cockpit with flight management, autopilot, navigation, and easier-to-read flat panel displays. Our technology is found in everything from more fuel-efficient engines and auxiliary power units to satellite communications and environmental controls in the cabin. In the air, storm clouds are more easily avoided with our 3D InnoView weather radar. InnoView helps increase passenger comfort and reduce delays. Even in the most challenging conditions, our technology helps to ensure you get to your destination safely. Honeywell's enhanced ground proximity warning system helps pilots to avoid terrain and other obstacles. And our SmartView synthetic vision system features advanced display technology to give pilots continuous situational awareness of their flight path, terrain, and navigational environment. When making the final approach,
5,000
Honeywell Smart
remaining.
Landing provides the crew with timely alerts to help reduce the risk of a runway excursion.
Too fast.
We are leading the way with NextGen air traffic management. Our technology improves flight safety through precision navigation and landing systems, maximizes aircraft routing, saves fuel, and enhances airport operations to minimize delays. If you need assistance with your aircraft, our global team of customer and product support experts is available 24/7, 365 days a year to help you wherever you are. Honeywell has been at the forefront of the aviation industry for almost a century, and we're continuing to lead the way in developing cutting-edge technologies that meet your needs.